Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about the fascial lines that run through our body in relation to our feet. So 5 of those fascial lines that attach from the base of the skull go all the way down to our toes. And a lot of the times, if the feet are tight from things that we do throughout the day, it can tighten up the entire fascial line all the way up to the base of the neck. A lot of the times, just treating the feet as a massage therapist can release a lot of different areas that are above for clients. So I'm going to show you how to roll the bottom of your feet. You can grab one of these balls at Shoppers Drug Mart. You can also use one like the kids' bouncy balls. Marbles work too. And you're just placing it under the bottom of the heel and applying a little bit of pressure, and we're just running the ball to the toes and just repeating the process. When you find an area that's a little bit sore, hang out there for a bit, run back through it all the way back to the toes. This is gonna help increase mobility, decrease pain, make you feel awesome in the long run.